circular permutation. Permutation means arrangement. Very good. Permutation means arrangement. So circular permutation means circular arrangement. Means if objects are arranged along a circle. Okay. For example, if we arrange these 5 objects, A, B, C, D, E, along a circle, and we already have studied how we can arrange them along a line. Can you tell the number of ways by which these 5 objects can be arranged along a line? Will it not be factorial 5? Number of ways of arranging 5 objects in 5 places we have studied in previous exercises. 5p5, that is factorial 5. But if we arrange them along a circle, what happens then? What is the problem? So look at this. This is a single arrangement. A, B, C, D. Now look at this. B, C, D, E, and A. Is it a different arrangement or the same arrangement? This is the different arrangement. This arrangement is starting with A, but this arrangement is starting with B. Okay. Now again, if we arrange them again along a straight line, starting with C, then D, then E, then A, and then B, it's a different arrangement. Is that clear to everyone? Again,
Yes, sir.
start with D, E, A, B, and C. It's again a different arrangement. And finally, if there is one more arrangement, like this, E, A, B, C, D, it's again a different arrangement. Right? But if you look at this circular arrangement, A, B, C, D, E. Huh? Again, if we start with B, B, C, D, E, A. The second arrangement. Third arrangement, C, D, E, A, B. Fourth arrangement, D, E, A, B, C. Fifth arrangement, E, A, B, C, D. All are same. When they are arranged along a circular path, you can look at this. If they are arranged along a straight line, A, B, C, D, E, B, C, D, E, A, C, D, E, A, B, D, E, A, B, C, E, A, B, C, D. All are the different arrangement. But if they are arranged along a circle, like this, if we start with A, B, C, D, E. This is the first arrangement. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Again,
Yes, sir.
if we start with the second, yeah, color it with other. Start with P, P, then C, then D, E, and A. Again, this is the same arrangement. Understood? Now, if we start with C, C, D, E, A, B, and this is C, D, E, A, B. Again, this is the same arrangement. Is that clear to you? Means in place of 5 arrangement, there will be only one arrangement. if we arrange them along a circular path. Understood? Corresponds to corresponding to 5 arrangements along a straight line number of circular arrangement equals to what? Huh? 1 only, right? Corresponding to 5 arrangements along a straight line, there is only one circular arrangement. Now, if we discuss about this arrangement, A, B, C, D, E, B, C, D, E, A, C, D, E, A, B, D, E, A, B, C, E, A, B, C, D. These are the 5 arrangements along a straight line. But corresponding to them, if you arrange them along a circle, there will be only one arrangement. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, if we write the same statement again, corresponding to one arrangement along a straight line. Is that clear to you? Corresponding to one arrangement along a straight line how many arrangements will be there in the circle arrangement? From using unitary method, they will be 1 by 5. 5 becomes 1, so 1 becomes 1 by 5. And we know that along a straight line, we can arrange 5 objects in factorial 5 ways. We can arrange the factorial 5 arrangements in factorial 5 ways. So corresponding to factorial 5 arrangement using the unitary method, can you tell? Corresponding to factorial 5 arrangement along a straight line, how many number of circular arrangements will be there? Can you tell? Why 1 by factorial 5? Use unitary method. In place of 5, there are 1. So in place of 1, how many will be there? In place of factorial 5. When in a unitary method, when we goes from more to 1, we divide. And when we move from 1 to more, we have to multiply. Is that clear to you? Now this factorial 5 is 5 into factorial 4 upon 5. So there will be factorial 4. So for 5 arrangements, there will be only factorial 4 arrangements. If we arrange them in a circular manner, is that clear to everyone? Similarly, corresponding to n, if we arrange n objects along a circle, there will be factorial n minus 1 arrangements. Understood? Number of ways of arranging n objects. Number of ways of arranging n objects along the circle, which we have discussed from the above discussion, must be factorial n. For 5, there will be factorial 4 corresponding to n, there will be factorial n minus 1. Is that clear to you? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is the formula of number of ways of arranging an objects along a circle. So if we discuss the questions, in how many ways can 4 persons A, B, C and D be seated around a circular table? Can you tell the number of ways by which 4 persons A, B, C, D can be seated around a circular table? if they are seated along the straight line, there will be factorial 4. That is 24 method. But if they are seated along the circle, then factorial. What is the value of n? 4 in place of n. What?
Factorial 4 minus 1.
Is that clear to you? So we write number of ways of arranging 4 objects along a circle equals to factorial 4 minus 1, that is factorial 3. So there will be only 6. While the same arrangement if arranged in a circle along a straight line, there will be 24 arrangements, factorial 4. But correspond to them, only 6 arrangements will be there if we arrange them along a circle. Understood, everyone? So if we discuss one more example, in how many ways can 6 persons be seated around a circular table? So number of ways of arranging 6 persons. If in place of 4, if we write 6, there will be factorial 6 minus 1. So there will be 120 arrangements. Understood? So let's discuss one more example. In how many ways can 5 persons A, B, C, D, and E? In how many ways can 5 persons A, B, C, D, and E sit around a circular table? Now conditions are given. First, in how many ways can 5 persons A, B, C, D, E? Yes, ask your doubt.
So the screen is not visible.
Okay, wait. Okay, now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
In how many ways can 5 persons A, B, C, D, and E sit around a circular table? So if there is no condition, we know how many arrangements will be there. Where is 6? Factorial 5 minus 1, that is factorial 4. But if the condition is given, B and D next to each other, means दोनों पड़ोसी हो गए. B and D next to each other means एक साथ बैठे. They sit together. B and D are arranged together. So number of ways of arranging 2 persons together will be factorial. Is that clear to you? This is the simple permutation. How many number of ways are there for arranging B and D? First is BD, second is DB, which is denoted by factorial 2. So mathematically is also factorial 2. And if we solve them practically, then also there will be, this is not a circular. Means first, if we discuss them about arranging in a circular permutation in such a way that B and D are sit next to each other. Means one place for B, one place for D. So either B and D are seated in this way or in this way. So there will be 2 arrangements of it. And if we write it theoretically, then also the result will be 2. So first we write number of ways of arranging 2 persons. Wait. So number of ways of arranging 2 persons in 2 places. How many places will be there? How many ways will be there? Factorial 2, that is 2 only, which we have discussed practically also. Now we will consider these 2 as a single unit, as we have considered in linear permutation also. Is that clear to everyone? These 2 persons seated together will be considered how? As a unit, as one unit. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So how many number of units are there now? Total number of persons A, B, C, D and E 5. These two are subtracted and in place of them a single unit is added. So 5 minus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Now we have to arrange them in circular way. So how many number of ways are there to arrange 4 persons along a circle? Factorial 4 minus 1, that is factorial 3. Now this two are first arranged and then they are arranged in circular manner. Means this and this are done simultaneously. Means we have to use the principle of multiplication there. Understood? Then we write, means this is same as the linear, but slight difference between them. Number of ways of arranging 4 units along a circle. How many units are there? 4. And how to arrange them along a circle? Factorial 4 minus 1. That is factorial 3. So it is 6. And 2 ways are there to arrange D and B. Now this and this is done simultaneously. So we will use principle of multiplication and multiply them to find the total number of arrangements. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer. Okay. Next is A and D do not sit next to each other. Next part is A and D do not sit next to each other. Look at this. Don't go to their name. Don't think about their names, whether they are B and D or A and D. If they sit next to each other, if A and D sit next to each other, the total number of arrangements will be same, that is 12. But in this, we have to find do not sit next to each other. Means first we will find the total number of arrangements. Then we will subtract these 12 arrangements in which A and D sit next to each other. Then we will get the answer of the question. A and D do not sit next to each other. Is that clear to you? First we will write the total number of ways of arranging 5 persons. Number of ways of arranging 5 persons along a circle. First we will find number of ways to find 5 persons along a circle. How many ways are there? Factorial 5 minus 1, that is factorial 4 equals to 24. Now, how many number of ways are there if A and D sit next to each other? Can you tell? Huh? Number of ways of arranging 5 persons in which A and D sit next to each other. Can you tell? Why do
So 24 minus 12.
we have to arrange them along a circle? Number of ways of arranging 5 persons. These are 5 persons along a circle. Understood? In which A and D sit next to each other. It is same as B and D sit next to each other. Only name persons are changed. So it will be 12. Understood? So the next line must be number of ways of arranging 5 persons along a circle in which 2 persons A and D do not sit. This we have to find now. Do not sit next to each other. Will be 24 minus 12 equals to 12. Is that clear to you, everyone? This 12 is not the answer. This 12 is the answer. The answer is 12, but not this 12. This 12 is the answer. This 12 is showing only the number of ways of arranging 2 persons next to each other. Means in half of them, they are sitting next to each other, and half of them, they are not sitting next to each other. As there are only 5 persons. Understood, everyone?